Hey guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Today's vlog is I'm going to do Shein haul clothing for this month, October. So I've got 6 items right here from Shein, including this bra. Ayan, so I'm gonna open this and try this all for you guys. This top that I'm wearing right now, this is actually from Shein as well, guys. And believe it or not, this is only 10 New Zealand dollars. So it's quite cheap, but look at that. Look how gorgeous is this top. It's very elegant and it looks very expensive, but no, this is only $10, guys. I love the fabric. It's very soft and breathable. It's very comfy to wear. You can even wear this even if it's summer, guys. It doesn't feel hot. It looks very elegant, very sophisticated, and so sassy. Yeah, so this is from Shein, and I wore this last 26th of September when my post-birthday celebration. I made a vlog. If you haven't seen that vlog, you can check it out. I'm gonna put the link above. So yeah, I wore this that time. And yeah, let's start unpacking these gorgeous clothes right here. And also guys, before I forget, I made a previous vlog. It was my first purchase of Shein. It's also try on haul clothing. So if you haven't seen that vlog, I'm gonna put the link above or in my description box so you can check it out as well. So let's open first this bra. Ayan. So I've been looking this kind of bra for a long time, guys. Na transparent yung likod niya because I have backless top and ayoko na makita yung bra sa likod. So let's just open this. So this is the bra. I hope it fits. And this is actually a push-up bra. So I'm not gonna wear this, guys, ha? Just imagine na lang dyan. Imagine. So this is the back. Ayan, XX siya. I like the pads. Meron siyang parang kamay dito, guys. O, di ba? Nakita nyo? Ayan. And this is size A kasi maliit lang yung kadidihan natin dyan, no? Ayan. And you can actually change the strap. These are the strap, guys. You can change the back strap, this one. And these are the transparent as well, which is nice. Next is this one. I'm gonna try all of these except the bra, guys. So after ko na ma-open lahat, so I'm gonna try all of them except the bra. So let's open the second one. This is a bralette. This is very, very sexy, guys. I really love this top. Look at that. Look how sexy is that, guys. And then you can partner this skirt or pants, and then you can put a blazer. So look how very sexy is that. There is 2 color, white and black, but Matthew chose this black one because black is sexy. Ayan. And this is adjustable strap right here. And this is size small. I'm actually extra small, guys, but this one is quite tiny, so that's why I chose small. I'm very excited to try this one, guys. Sexy. Right, so let's proceed. The next one. Ooh, this is my one sleeve. Very sexy as well. I love black. So, oh, it's a bit see-through, guys. Yan. One sleeve lang siya. That's it. And the size of this is, I think, extra small. Yeah, I chose extra small. And it's a bit see-through. Right. It's so sexy. Right, and next, this is the fourth one. I think it's another see-through, guys. I love see-through nowadays because it's sexy. It's good for nighttime. It's a see-through crop top and a bit turtleneck here. That's it, guys, and that's the print. And long sleeve, but it's crop top, and the size of this is extra small. Let me check. Yes, extra small. That's it, guys. Ayan. So that's the print. This is the fifth one. And the color is white, obviously. This is a very cute top, guys. This is another crop top, long sleeve. But look at the color. It's very cute. Look at that, guys. This is it. Crop top and long sleeve, and look at the sleeve. It's so cute. That's it, guys. Napakaganda ng mga Shein clothing. I really love their style. It's very unique, it's very sexy, and it's also affordable. So let's proceed to the last one. So this is the last one. This is quite big because this is matching top and bottom. I've got lots of Shein bags right here, guys, and I love their bags. So this is it. The color is beige. It's very sexy as well, guys. So this is this one. This is the top. It's crop top, but it looks very elegant as well. This is turtleneck and crop top, long sleeve. I'm not sure what fabric is this. And this is the back. What I love, guys, is they put the brand, Shein brand, right here. Every clothing, they put Shein in here. Yeah. And the size of this is extra small, by the way. That one, and this is the bottom. Oh, they also put Shein. This is the skirt. Ayan, guys. It's very sexy. Right, so I'm gonna try these clothes and I'm gonna put the price as well. So stay tuned. So that's it, guys. That's all my Shein try on haul clothing for this month, October. So if you're interested to check out their website, I'm gonna put their website link in my description box so you can check it out. And also you can install their app Shein. And if you ask me about shipping fee, their shipping fee is fixed. It's $12, 12 New Zealand dollars. So it's either you'll order one or more, it's the same shipping fee. So it's better you'll order more items, guys. So that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.